Hi there, crochet friends. Today we're making this super cute and fun egg coaster. Perfect for adding a playful touch to your kitchen or breakfast table. Whether you're a beginner or already love crochet, this project is simple, satisfying, and such a joy to make. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more fun tutorials like this. Ready? Grab your hook and let's get started. For round 1, start with a magic ring and make 6 single crochets into the ring. This will form the very center of the egg white. Tip: keep your tension even and don't pull the ring too tight just yet. It'll help when working into the first stitches. You're doing great already. Let's keep going. Next, for round 2, make 6 increases. That's 2 single crochets in each stitch around. You'll now have 12 stitches in total. Tip: place a stitch marker in your first stitch so you can easily track your rounds. Nice work, it's already taking shape. Moving on to round 3, repeat 3 single crochets, 1 increase, 3 times. That means SC in the next 3 stitches, then 2 SC in the next one, and repeat. You're doing fantastic. Keep those stitches consistent. Now for round 4, work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, then 4 single crochets, 1 increase twice, and end with 2 single crochets. Tip: count your stitches out loud if needed. This round adds up to 21 stitches. Look at that, you're building the oval shape so nicely. In round 5, repeat 5 SC, 1 ink 3 times. This will expand your shape to fit a coaster size. Great job! Your egg white is growing beautifully. For round 6, do 3 SC, 1 ink, then 6 SC, 1 ink twice, and finish with 3 C. Tip: adjust your yarn tension if the work starts curling too much. You're crushing it. Keep up the amazing work. Next, round 7 is a repeat of 7 SC 1 ink 3 times. Slow and steady wins the race. This part builds the widest section of the egg white. You're making such great progress. Now for round 8, begin with 4 SC 1 ink, then repeat 8C 1 ink twice, and end with 4C. Tip: give your piece a gentle flattening if needed to shape it nicely. You're almost there with the main shape. Awesome work. Next up, rounds 9 to 11 are simple, just 30 single crochets in each round. This keeps the oval shape steady before we decrease. Tip: relax your hands and enjoy these easy rounds. Such a satisfying part, right? Great job hanging in there. For round 12, repeat 13 SC 1 decrease twice. This starts to taper the shape like a real egg. You're doing amazing. Trust the process. In round 13, repeat 5 SC 1 deck 4 times. This makes the edges start to round in. Beautiful work. You're handling the decreases like a pro. Now, round 14, work 2 SC deck, then 4C deck 3 times and end with 2 seek. Tip: don't pull your decreases too tight, keep the shape smooth. Look at that, it's coming together so well. For round 15, repeat 3 SC 1 deck 4 times. Nice and easy, just focus on keeping even stitches. Almost done with the egg white. In round 16, start with 1 SC, 1 deck, then repeat 2 SC, 1 dex 3 times and end with 1 C. Tip, use your fingers to gently shape the piece as it curves in. So close now, stay with me. Finally, round 17 will close the hole by picking up every other front loop with a half stitch to bind off. Tip, use a yarn needle to neatly close the center and fasten off securely. You did it. Your egg white is finished. Now that the egg white is done, let's make that lovely yolk and attach it to the center. For round 1 of the yolk, start with a magic ring and make 7 single crochets into the ring. Cute and tiny, just like a real yolk. Next, make 7 increases, that's 2 SC in each stitch around. You'll have 14 stitches. Looking great already. Then, for round 3, repeat 1 SC, 1 ink 7 times. This gives you a nice little circle. Tip, flatten it gently so it lays nicely on top of the egg white.